I left the valley of Adam on Diamond, and I'm heading due west, and I'm in Back Roads, Missouri again. This little highway is called Highway E, and up ahead, out in the middle of nowhere, is some wind turbines generating electricity out here in the middle of nowhere. Nice to see that. It's been nothing but farmland, one-lane bridges, up and down hills just like you see. Cows, goats, sheep. And look out here out in the middle of nowhere. It's looking like Palm Springs. On Highway E, out in the middle of nowhere, Missouri. There's some corn. And coming up is another one-lane bridge. Look at the turbines. Here's this one-lane bridge here, folks. This is about the fourth one I've gone over. Here it is. And I'm on Interstate 29. And evidently it's closed. At mile marker 110 at Rockport. It says use 36 east to I-35 north. They've had extensive flooding coming all the way down from Gavin's Point Dam in South Dakota. So we're going to drive up there and show you eventually. We're on Interstate 29, and it's going to be closed up ahead because of flooding that's been going on for quite for a couple months. Matter of fact, you can see a shed right there underwater, in the middle of the water. All this is flooded. This is not a lake. Here's some more farm buildings flooded right there in the water. We're at exit 99. There we go, exit 110. They've closed down Interstate 29. Welcome to the city of Rockport. There it is, folks, road closed. Interstate closed. And here's 136 west. Going west, it's closed. There's all the farmland that's being flooded here. I've got sandbags over here. We'll have to go up and go reverse, go 136 east. All that is not a lake. I've taken a wet west on 136 east on 136 for a while, a couple miles, and then I'm heading north on 275 to Hamburg. And there was a partial road closed. They tried not to get through traffic coming on this highway. But I went anyway, just to get to Hamburg to see if it's 17 miles up, to see if we can get through and see if I-29 is open back up after 17 miles. But we're here on farmland again. Here we are skimming along I-29, and it's closed, still closed up here. I think we got about 10-12 miles. Wow. I can't believe it. I had to stop and show you for yourself. Here's a bridge crossing Interstate 29. Look at this. 12 miles up where we got routed off I-29, it's still blocked off. Wow. Trippy, trippy.